Hello boys and girls, today we're going to continue working with our Eureka Math Book A, Lesson 8. We're going to work on page 43. I'll write it down right here for you, 43. The directions on page 43 reads, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So here for letter A, they have the number 74. So in our place value chart, we have to write down how many tens and how many ones for the number 74. The number 74 has 7 tens and 4 ones. Okay, let's hop down to letter C. Letter C. In the place value chart, I see the number with 9 tens and 1 1. So if I write it down here on the line, 9 tens and 1 1, that's 91. Okay, boys and girls, now I want you to do this on your own. I want you to do letter B, letter D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I want to do one more problem with you, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and do letter E together. Letter E has the number 116. 116. So to write that in the place value chart, how many tens do I have? Well, I don't have 1 10. I have 11 tens, and I have 6 ones. So 11 tens and 6 ones is the same as 116. Okay, so go ahead now and do the rest by yourself. Make sure you pause the recording and then restart your recording so we could check your work. Boys and girls, pause your recording now. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and check our work. For letter B, the number is 78. That means we have 7 tens, 8 ones. Letter D, we have 10 tens and 9 ones in our place value chart. So 10 tens, that would be in the tens. That would tell me how many tens there are, and I have 9 ones. That number is 109. And for letter F, the number is 103. That tells me that I have 10 tens, because 10 tens is the same as 100, boys and girls. And I have 3 ones. So remember, 10 tens is the same as 100. But our place value chart doesn't have a hundredths place, so we have to write 10 tens. Letter G, I don't have a number, but I have 11 tens and 2 ones. So here are my 11 tens. Here are my 2 ones. That is the number 112 for letter G. For letter H, I don't have a number, but my place value chart has 12 tens and 0 ones. So here is 12 tens and 0 ones. That is the number 120. For letter I don't have a number, but I have 10 tens in the place value chart and 5 ones. So here's 10 tens, 5 ones. The number is 105. The letter J, I have the number 102. That tells me that I have 10 tens, 2 ones. Boys and girls, go ahead and check your work. Give yourself a happy face. And give yourselves a loud, silent cheer. 1, 2, 3. Very good, boys and girls. That was a great, loud, silent cheer. Let's look at the next page. For the next page, number 2, we're going to match all the place value charts with all the numbers in the boxes. So here I have, for my first box, I have 10 tens, I have 9 tens, 7 ones. Which one has 9 tens, 7 ones? This one doesn't have 9 tens, 7 ones. I'm looking for 9 tens, 7 ones. Oh, here it is, 9 tens, 7 1. So I'm going to go down here, boys and girls. 9 tens, 7 ones. Okay, let's go on to the next one. 10 tens, 7 ones. Which shows 10 tens, 7 ones? 10 tens, oh, here it is, 10 tens, 7 ones. Right there, 10 tens, 7 ones. Now I'm using different colors to match my place value chart with my numbers in the boxes. You can go ahead and, if you have different pencils or crayons to use different colors, you can do that. So I want you to finish doing the rest, matching the rest of the place value charts with the rest of the number boxes. Go ahead and pause your video and then you can restart it so we can check our work. Boys and girls, go ahead and pause your recording now. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and check our work. For the next number, we have 11 tens, 0 ones. 11 tens, 0 ones. I don't see 11 tens, 0 ones. Oh, is this 11 tens, 0 ones? Or is this 11 tens, 0 1? Well, there's 11 tens. This one down here says 10 tens. So my choice would be 11 tens, 0 ones. 11 tens, 0 ones. How about the next one? 10 tens, 5 ones. 10 tens, 5 ones. Oh, that would be this one up here. 10 tens, 5 ones. 10 tens, 5 ones. Okay. And next I have 10 tens, 1 1. 10 tens, 1 1. Where's 10 tens, 1 1? Oh, here. 10 tens, 1 1. 10 tens, 1 1. 10 tens, 1 1. And the next one, 12 tens, 0 ones. 12 tens, 0 ones. Oh, here's 12 tens, 0 ones. It's right up here. 12 tens, 0 ones. 12 tens, 0 ones. And my last one says 11 tens, 8 ones. 11 tens, 8 ones. That could be this one. 11 tens, 0 ones. Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and give yourself a smiley face. And give yourselves an oh yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Okay, boys and girls, we're ready for our exit ticket. We're going to divide this into 2 parts. For the first part, number 1, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So I want you to do A, B, C, and D. Go ahead, boys and girls, and pause your video so you can do your work, and when you're ready to check your work, you can restart your recording. Go ahead and pause your recording now, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and check our work. For letter A, for 83, that would give us 8 tens, 3 ones. Here I don't have a number, but I have my place value chart, which tells me I have 9 tens and 4 ones, which is 94. For letter C, I don't have a number, but I have 11 tens in my place value chart, and I have 5 ones. That number is 115. And for letter D, I have the number 106. That tells me that I have 10 tens and 6 ones. Very good. Go ahead and give yourself a happy face, boys and girls. Let's move on to number 2. For number 2, write the number. For letter A, for letter B, read the words and tell me what number it is. Read the words and tell me what number it is. Boys and girls, pause your recording and then restart your recording when you're ready to check your work. Pause your recording now. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and read our words. For letter A, it says 10 tens, 2 ones is a number. So remember, 10 tens is the same as 100. 102 is the correct answer. And for letter B, 11 tens, 4 ones is the number. So I have 11 tens, 4 ones is the number 114. Good job, boys and girls. Check your work. Give yourself a happy face. And give yourself a, go ahead and dust your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, piece of cake, piece of cake. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Now you can continue with happy numbers.